YouTube channel. Anyway, all over the world right now, guys, even our morning, all over the world. And guys, I want you to love this video. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. And if you want to see more video, guys, thumbs it up again, guys. And guys, this is another pillow. 3 pillow given the guy. And guys, I show a direction. You can just buy a little piece of material and make pillow for your house. See the measurement here, guys. And see the measurement here, guys. And this is the pillow I'm going to use as stuffing. And make the pillow 1 inch little bigger. This is a pillow envelope, guys. See the measurement here, guys. And see the width here, guys. And guys, this is you put the pillow inside. And then guys, if you put the pillow inside, you put it back over. This is another video again, guys. Me double it, guys, see it? Double it, and I'm going to push the pillow inside. And guys, like up the video. If you want to see what I did, go back and touch the video, guys, and you will learn from this video, guys. You can make pillow for your home, guys. And thank you, guys, for like and share and watching. Thank you. What you waiting on? Like up the video, guys. Like it up. What you waiting on, guys? Thumbs up, guys, to get more video, guys, and to learn more, guys. Like up the video, guys. Like it up. What to know it in, and guys? Thumbs up, guys, to get more video, guys. And